Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be adding some more. Oh, my name is Jada Velez, and her name is
Belly, and today we are
going to
snow slime again because, why not? And this slime actually turned out to be a success.
I actually fixed her slime because it was a little crazy. It was like a little sticky. It was like really
Very
weird.
sticky, actually.
It was very cold. There was a lot happening.
That it's much.
But I fixed it by adding some more snow into it and just a little bit of activator. And
She was doing this
I just put my thumb in the container.
like she was putting it. Her thumb.
I tilted
because we didn't need that much actually. So right now I'm going to go make some more instant snow. She's gonna do like a great ASMR.
Which one? With what slime?
This one because the Drizzly is amazing with that.
Alright, so this is my slime, but I'm gonna do some ASMR with her snow slime. So I'm gonna put my slime in its container. It's a really big container. And yeah.
Don't use all the powder.
Yeah, don't use all the powder. So this slime has an amazing texture. Yeah. This slime is so nice. It doesn't have any crunch to it because it's a snow slime. It's a pretty tiny snow slime. But it is super soft and has a really nice drizzle. It won't drizzle easily, but it still has a nice drizzle to it. Alright, so I'm just going to do this.
So I made some more snow.
Which was very fast. All you have to do is add some water to the powder, but it's called instant snow, not the plastic snow. The plastic snow, you just add it to the slime. You don't even have to add water to it. So yeah, I'm gonna get my slime back.
I know I have snowy hands, but we're gonna get out of here, Anna. It's all about
I
us.
can put it in front of my slime.
I didn't see that. That's the whole point of this video. We're gonna be adding too much ingredients, but
Not really, because we don't want to mess up our slime like that.
Yeah.
But we're gonna add.
we're gonna make a separate slime so that we could actually do that.
But we're gonna add.
Why do you keep spilling
I'm
it?
sorry. I'm just gonna take that.
I was gonna take that, but I'll clean everything up.
Alright, so I'm gonna be the person that mostly needs it because I don't really have a snow slime. I kind of have a cloud cream, cloud fluff, not really a snow.
Oh, this looks just like kinetic sand. You cannot lie. It looks.
Mine feels like a butter slime, but it's a snow slime. It's all over the place.
This drizzly is so beautiful.
So guys, we're gonna get straight into adding the instant snow. So let's start.
Let's do this. So first we're gonna add the glue, and this time I am gonna go first because the last video she went first. She's taking it all over.
I mean, it is my channel. I mean, I did make it, but it's our channel. Hey, what are we doing with it? We're making new slime? Oh. Are we gonna? I have a good idea. We should mix it into these slimes. Because these containers
we
are.
were gonna add too much snow to those slimes, so
Yeah,
that
but
we
these
don't mess up
do you
these
see how big these containers are? You should do that.
I want to add all of the slimes though, all 4.
Yeah, but then we have to split it in half so we can have it in the container. Alright guys, so we're basically doing a slime smoothie and adding too much snow into the slime.
But we're gonna do that next video. So it will be titled You Can't Know Yet. I forgot. I'm terrified.
Alright guys, so let's
The
just...
piece of slime is still on the wall. I threw it over there.
What container are we going to be using?
This.
Okay, so where are we going to put this one?
Just gonna put that off to the side, everybody.
And her slime's going to get cold while I have mine in my nice Soulsea container.
Wait, no, you're gonna use your own container. We're both making a slime.
Dang it.
She didn't know. I thought you knew.
You didn't tell me anything.
Should we make this a white snow slime? Well,
White,
too
white,
much?
white. White, white, white. White, white, white. Because we already have purple slimes.
Every single slime is purple. And like I said, this time I'm going first because last.
Alright, so I'll
you
open
went
the
first.
glue bottle for you. Here you go.
Thank you.
Alright.
There's not that much glue left.
There is a lot of glue in here. You know what I'm saying?
It's up to here.
It's still a lot, though. I'll hold the container for you.
That's good.
Alright.
That's a great.
You tell me when to stop, okay?
Okay. That's good.
I still have like some of my slime that I mixed into this. I kind of want to use a spoon instead of using the chopsticks because it takes a lot of time to mix. So we're gonna get some spoons instead of using.
Go get some spoons.
Yeah.
Because this, you say this is your channel, but I think this should be our channel.
I said that. Remember the first video? I said that. All right. So this glue, I can't stop saying it. It stinks. It stinks. But we're still gonna work with it because it does make some pretty good slime. So gotta stay positive. And yeah. So I'm just gonna wait for her. I'm so glad we're making white slimes because I never made a white slime before. So I tried. I had like this cheap glue and it did not work. So that doesn't count. And yeah. So I'm just going for her. And she's right here.
I don't know why that took so long just for spoons.
Alright, so we don't have to mix it because like it's just white. So should we add the snow now or after?
Now. Because
Right.
that's what we did last time to make a normal snow slime. Wait, wasn't I gonna go first? I wanna add it.
Just pour it.
That's like the right amount for a normal snow slime.
We need to make more snow then.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go make some more snow. I'm gonna add it with the spit.
Like the whole thing?
No.
Because like that's what we need. I don't care. I could buy more.
You can?
Uh-huh.
Okay, then I'll pour the rest in.
Here it goes. Wait. It needs to be.
That's creepy.
I don't know what's going on.
Disregard your feelings. You disregard my feelings.
This will make a lot of snow.
It's not nice at all.
Okay, I'll go add the water.
Okay.
And I should just easily just like bow down and call me. I don't think so. Then tell me it's not smart. And then just tell me it's not smart. Just because you're not managing to tell me to put love on you.
Hi, Boo.
Right, and go tell my mom.
She is already back with the snow. Let me see the snow.
I'm always dropping it.
Splash guard. That's the snow. But wait, no. Oh, wait, no, yours. Just a little bit though. That's good. No, boo boo.
I'm sorry.
There we go. Perfect.
Can I add some more? Because you have more than me. Like that much. Okay.
We have a lot of snow left. Don't worry. So now we are going to
It's under my
be
nails.
mixing. You
It's
can
gonna
just
start
see
mixing.
her face on my spoon.
Oh, it looks so good.
God, I want to eat it so bad. We added the same amount of snow, the same amount of glue. Well, at least I did. I don't know about you, baby.
I think we did.
But the thing is, it keeps falling apart, so there's different chunks around my pencil case.
Baby, ready to go tonight? Rolla's coming.
Mom,
Excuse me? What'd you say, honey?
it's still making.
Boom. What?
I will add the picture now.
Yeah, the camera.
Oops.
It's okay. I don't want you to go. You have to go. I don't know why, but I have to. Mine is like not mixing.
I'm gonna start mixing mine.
Can you put some more activators?
Dang it, I added.
Oh, good.
Ooh, my bad.
I just start mixing with my hands because like this slime activates fast.
You make it snow slime?
Yes, Rara. I don't know why we can't sleep over.
Why? There's like no point in not sleeping over. It's the weekend.
It's Saturday.
Tomorrow is the last day.
But I can come over to your house this week. I don't want to take New York State test.
Oh, I don't have to yet. I have to take an IA.
I already took my IAS. I have my New York State test April 1st and no, April 2nd and 3rd, and then I have my math one May something. I want to take my test.
It's coming together though.
Mine is like really stiff.
Remember the last time? Okay, so now I'm going to be trying to take all of the slime off. And looks like my slime is created.
Mine is still stiff.
It looks like it's coming together a little bit.
It's because you added a little too much activator.
You want me to
No, I got it.
mine?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
I'll add some of this, the glue and snow on it.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. I just wanted to clean up the spoon. So my slime is made. I'm just gonna try to get all of the extra off of the bowl. I mean pencil case. Why are we using pencil cases? I don't know. I don't have any more containers. That is the reason.
Why are these videos so long? Like they don't even feel that long.
Right, they feel so short.
It's coming together. I'm gonna take this slime with me.
Come on, Mama, go look pulling up.
Okay. Can I take this with me?
Let's go.
Thank you. Okay. I'll take this. This is. I don't have a container. You have a container I can borrow? No.
Is it okay if that one doesn't have a top?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I have a container. This is horrible.
Okay. What's this top for? Oh no, this is too tiny.
Remember this?
Should I just mix it?
That was going to be the next video.
What should I do?
No, you could take this with you. I am positive.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, sadly, she has to take her phone. Bye. Bye.
Bye.